Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm so happy and honored to show you that I get these products to do a review. These are products from ColourArte brand. This is Vivid PolyPour. This is a pouring medium that you mix with these primary elements. These are pigments. They are gorgeous. You see? Sparkling, gorgeous. This person who sent me this is the owner of the ColourArte, Leslie Onstad. I will put a link to her YouTube channel in my description and link to ColourArte shop and promo code for discount if you will want to buy these things. So I will just put this much of this pigment in our polypour and mix. It mixes really nice. I thought that it will be harder to mix them in, but they mix really fast. And here we are. We have our paint ready to pour. Perfect consistency. Just a second, I hope that you see this. You see? And it's so sparkly and colors are gorgeous. I will do regular dip today on my board. Last time I thought that it was so slippery, but I will try to put less paint today and we will see if this makes any difference. This is just my regular white paint. It's not ColourArte. It's just base, regular white base that I do for my dips. Spread it around. I already put white paint on the canvas too, so I will not add a lot of white paint here. Maybe it will not be so slippery, we will see. I was a little ill last days, and my granddaughter too. She was here, but she get fever and they have to go. I was sad, but first we must take care of our health and then our happiness and the good mood, or how can I say, I will just pop my bubbles. And so this one is called Snapdragon. This is this one that I mixed in front of you. And I have Carmine. This, I love this color. It's just so, I don't know, just gorgeous. And Playful Peony. And just a second, some ginger, I don't know, Ginger Peach. And I have Irish Mist for green and Peacock Feather. This one is gorgeous too. You see this, how sparkly it is. So I think that I will start with this peony, and I will just drizzle some paint in the shape of the flower, kind of. And this Carmine. Whoops. Play nice. This red is just stunning. Thank you, Leslie, to send me this. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I don't want to lose control. Did I break any rules if I sing while I'm... Whoops, I just didn't see that I drizzled here. And my ginger. Here in the middle. And Snapdragon. I will try to do this. This is my Peacock Feather. Irish mist. And let's see. I painted my canvas with white already, and I hope that this time we're not be so slippery. Oops. I'm sorry for my oopsies, but I read in one comment that someone complained about my oopsies, but that's how it is. If you paint and you just you can't think all the time what to say, how you do, or how you react, and if you try to enjoy, it's hard to think. Wow, these paints are just gorgeous. Just try to pop this with my toothpick, because there is no silicone in these paints. I will do review with silicone in this primary elements too, to see how they react with silicone, but today is just PolyPour and primary elements. A lot of air bubbles, because I just mix my paints and they have a little air bubbles in it. Just want to bring this a little to this side, I think. Oh, this ginger here is just gorgeous. Wow, I like this one very much. See, I will take you for a close. Wow, just wow. What do you think? You see? Whoop. Look at this stunning effects. I just love it. So different that my other paints, but this is just gorgeous. This is the second one that I probably overdo it, but it still has some beautiful details. And this is our card. This I don't know how to show you, maybe this way. I hope that you see this shimmer of these paints. And the first one, this ginger in the middle, is just beautiful. And maybe this way you can see how shimmery it is. I just love this one. So I'm happy. This one is just gorgeous for my taste, and definitely I will play again. Don't forget to look in my description for Leslie's channel and ColourArte page and see what they get. And please tell me, what do you think about these effects? If you like it too, like I do. I just love them. So this was it for the first review for ColourArte products, and see you on the next one. Bye!